If you are wondering how to make a small bathroom look bigger, these are the best and most practical design tricks you can use. Use large, simple tiles. Believe it or not, large bathroom tiles will instantly enhance your bathroom and create an illusion of a larger space because of the fewer grout lines. That means that the walls and floor may appear to be a single surface. Use a clear glass shower partition. This trick will create a further sense of space and remove the sense of a physical divide from the shower to the rest of the bathroom. Go with large mirrors. Mirrors not only add to the illusion of increased bathroom space, but they also reflect more light back into the room. Since your bathroom already has a mirror, consider dialing up the size. Keep your colors light and bright. Light colors can make your bathroom look bigger than if you use darker colors, thanks to the effect that light colors are reflective, which makes the bathroom feel open and it maximizes the effect of natural light. Floating wash basin. Wall-mounted wash basin makes the space appear larger due to the floating effect that allows us to see the limits of the bathroom. Remember to always start by measuring your space, understand the function you need for the room, and plan accordingly.